Welcome, car enthusiasts. Today, we have an exciting topic about Cybertruck as why its production is delayed and to explore the difference between the traditional endoskeleton used in older car frames and the cutting-edge exoskeleton that is planned to be used in the revolutionary Cybertruck. Get ready to dive into the world of automotive engineering. Let's begin by understanding the concept of the endoskeleton used in older car frames. The endoskeleton refers to the internal framework that provides structural support and strength to the vehicle. This frame is typically made of heavy-duty metals such as steel or aluminum, designed to protect the occupants and absorb impact during collisions. Now, let's shift our focus to the groundbreaking exoskeleton planned for the Cybertruck. The exoskeleton, in contrast to the endoskeleton, refers to the external body structure that provides both support and protection. The exoskeleton of the Cybertruck is crafted from an ultra-hard, stainless steel alloy, making it incredibly durable and resistant to dents or scratches. So, what sets the exoskeleton of the Cybertruck apart from traditional car frames? Firstly, its remarkable strength. The exoskeleton's stainless steel construction offers exceptional rigidity, making it highly capable of withstanding extreme conditions and providing enhanced occupant protection. Secondly, the exoskeleton brings efficiency gains. By using the exoskeleton as the primary structure, the need for additional components and excess weight is reduced, resulting in improved energy efficiency and increased driving range. Lastly, the exoskeleton design of the Cybertruck showcases a bold and futuristic aesthetic. Its angular, armored appearance not only turns heads but also demonstrates Tesla's commitment to pushing the boundaries of automotive design. The adoption of the exoskeleton concept in the Cybertruck marks an exciting step towards the future of car frames. With its exceptional strength, efficiency gains, and striking design, the exoskeleton opens doors to innovative possibilities in automotive engineering. Now, this is also the reason why it's so hard to manufacture Cybertruck. The production release of the Cybertruck is delayed many times, and now, as per the latest news, it would be in production by Q3 of 2023. So the Cybertruck is a hard car to make. Because it's such a radically new design, you can't just use conventional methods of manufacturing. We had to invent a whole new set of manufacturing techniques in order to build an exoskeleton-based car instead of an endoskeleton-based car, Musk said during the 2023 annual shareholder meeting. We had to invent a whole new set of manufacturing techniques in order to build an exoskeleton-based car instead of an endoskeleton-based car, Musk said during the 2023 annual shareholder meeting. And there you have it. The difference between the endoskeleton used in older car frames and the upcoming exoskeleton planned for the Cybertruck. As technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see more advancements in car frame designs that prioritize strength, efficiency, and aesthetics. Until then, stay tuned for more fascinating updates in the world of automotive engineering.